Hi, this is Sherilyn Hoffman, your Southwest Florida real estate agent, and I'm inside Babcock National at the Calusa floor plan made by Lennar. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, single family resident, and it has a 2247 square feet. Let's check out the inside. So those are the beautiful single-family homes in Babcock National. But then you do need to pick out your lot, and so there'll be a lot premium, and then you can also pick out your upgrades. So again, this is a great place, a great community to live in, because it has the wonderful 18-hole golf course. It will have the 100-foot pool with a tiki bar and all of the great amenities for living outside, bocce ball, tennis courts, and you know, Manny's Petties restaurants, a clubhouse with a full gym, everything here for you. So if you're looking for that square footage and that price point for a 3-bedroom 2-bath or 3-bedroom 3-bath 1-story floor plan, I know that's important for a lot of people. Please let me know. Like, subscribe, give me a call or text. And my name is Sherilyn Hoffman. I represent the buyers. So the beauty about having a buyer's agent is that I can show you any floor plans from any of the builders. So, you know, when you go to look at a model home, you will be able to meet the builder's realtors, and they will only be able to help you with that builder's floor plan. So if you pick a buyer's realtor like me, I can show you every single floor plan that multiple builders provide. So if you are in the Southwest Florida area, remember, my name is Sherilyn Hoffman, and I am a buyer and seller's agent for Southwest Florida, and I can help you see many floor plans, and I can help you also sell your home in this beautiful area through major networking and marketing and sales funnels. So again, call or text me if you have any questions, and I would love to talk with you and serve your needs. Have a great day.